Walnuts are one of nature's most exceptional sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and stand out for their rare combination of nutritional richness and wide-ranging health benefits. A single ounce of walnuts, about 14 halves, delivers approximately 185 calories, 4 grams of protein, 18 grams of fat, the majority of which are polyunsaturated, and 2 grams of fiber. What truly sets walnuts apart is their unique lipid profile, particularly their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that plays vital roles in cellular function, inflammation modulation, and cardiovascular protection. With around 2.5 grams of ALA per ounce, walnuts offer more omega-3 than any other common nut. While ALA is not as biologically active as EPA or DHA found in marine sources, the body can convert some ALA into these more potent forms. More importantly, ALA has intrinsic anti-inflammatory properties and has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and even certain neurodegenerative disorders. In a nutritional landscape where many people consume an excess of omega-6 fatty acids, walnuts help rebalance this ratio, reducing the pro-inflammatory burden of modern diets. In addition to omega-3s, walnuts are impressively rich in polyphenolic compounds and other antioxidants, particularly in the thin brown skin that coats the nut. These include ellagic acid, catechins, melatonin, and various flavonoids that combat oxidative stress, protect blood vessels, and enhance immune surveillance. This robust antioxidant profile helps explain walnuts' consistent associations with reduced markers of inflammation and improved endothelial function, both of which are foundational to long-term heart health. Walnuts contribute meaningfully to cognitive resilience and brain health, earning them the nickname brain food, not just because of their cerebral shape, but due to their biochemical effects. They are one of the few nuts shown in clinical research to support memory, focus, and even mood regulation. Studies suggest that regular walnut consumption may improve cognitive performance in older adults and potentially slow the progression of age-related neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. The brain benefits are likely due to a synergy between omega-3s, polyphenol, and certain B vitamins that work together to reduce neuroinflammation and oxidative damage within neural tissue. From a cardiovascular standpoint, walnuts exert multiple protective effects beyond cholesterol regulation. While they do help lower total and LDL cholesterol, they also improve the elasticity of blood vessels, reduce arterial stiffness, and support healthy blood pressure levels. The nitric oxide boosting potential of ALA and the antioxidant support for vascular linings enhance circulation, making walnuts a particularly potent food for those concerned with heart and metabolic health. Despite their high fat content, walnuts have shown favorable outcomes in weight management studies. Their combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats promotes satiety and reduces overall caloric intake by curbing excessive hunger. There is also evidence suggesting that a portion of the fats in walnuts may not be fully absorbed due to the structure of their cell walls, similar to almonds, which might explain why walnut-rich diets are not associated with weight gain and may even support weight control in the context of an overall healthy eating pattern. Walnuts are also a modest but meaningful source of magnesium, phosphorus, copper, and manganese, minerals involved in bone health, energy metabolism, antioxidant defense, and connective tissue integrity. The copper content, in particular, is critical for mitochondrial function and iron metabolism, while manganese supports enzymatic reactions involved in antioxidant systems like superoxide dismutase. These micronutrients further broaden the systemic benefits of walnuts beyond just fat content. Moreover, walnuts have been shown to positively influence gut health. The prebiotic effect of their polyphenol and fiber content helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn generate metabolites like short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that support intestinal barrier integrity, immune function, and metabolic regulation. Emerging research suggests this walnut microbiota interaction may contribute to the observed reductions in inflammation and improvements in lipid metabolism seen in walnut-eating populations. In culinary terms, walnuts are incredibly versatile, able to be enjoyed raw, toasted, chopped into salads, blended into smoothies, or incorporated into baked goods. Their slightly bitter skin and rich, buttery texture complement both sweet and savory dishes, allowing them to integrate seamlessly into daily eating without requiring major dietary changes. They also have a longer shelf life when stored in the refrigerator or freezer due to their higher polyunsaturated fat content, which is more prone to oxidation if left at room temperature for long periods. Taken together, walnuts are more than a nutrient-dense snack. They are a comprehensive functional food that delivers neuroprotective, cardiometabolic, and anti-inflammatory benefits through a highly synergistic blend of omega-3 fats, polyphenol, fiber, protein, and essential micronutrients. Including even small amounts of walnuts in a daily routine can support long-term health goals across many systems of the body, especially in areas where prevention matters most: brain aging, heart disease, and chronic inflammation.